The use of drones is anticipated in various business fields, including logistics, farming, construction, infrastructure inspection, disaster prevention and security. By 2022, the Japanese government aims to realize flights of unmanned aerial vehicles beyond visual line of sight over populated areas. In order for many drones to fly around for a variety of commercial uses, a system is required to prevent accidents such as contacts and collisions with absolute certainty. NEDO has been developing a drone traffic management system to ensure drones fly safely and efficiently, and promoting verification tests to realize social implementation. The drone traffic management system consists of the Traffic Management Functions Group, the Integrated Traffic Management Function, which manages interconnections, and the Information Provision Function, which provides spatial and meteorological information. These three functions liaise to realize drone traffic safety. In the 2019 flight testing conducted at the Fukushima robot test field with 29 drone operators, validity was confirmed. The study and verification of technology to identify drones even from remote locations is also proceeding. Near misses by helicopters and drones have been reported at times of emergency, such as natural disasters. To avoid collisions, drones use radar to sense objects 5 kilometers ahead. Within about 500 meters, they detect the type and size of objects and judge in which direction to maneuver. NEDO is also working on the research and development of drone performance evaluation, including fall and collision safety and performance in strong winds. A performance measure is created and compiled for the procedure manual, outlining the method, facility, equipment and devices for testing. Toward realization of a transportation revolution in the skies, NEDO will continue working on the development and verification of technologies to ensure the safe flying of drones.
NEDO